Oh, that's edged off. Nothing on it. First ball dot.
Too cute.
Scorecards not updated. Please just check once, no? Single in. That is some very high effort fielding from Shashank.
Good running between the batsmen.
And that's the opening six. Akhil Uncle. He's gonna use everything here. When he bowls, just start. Bowl. Say something now. Say something. Go!
Close fielding. Is it?
Keep speaking.
That was good running between the batsmen, but risky too. But cricket is all about risks taking, as we could see from the Divas team. Talking between the players. Let's
So
see
9
what
runs of the first over for no loss. Someone just please update the scorecard now. Please check kar lo ek baar.
And Raghav uncles come for bowling.
That means he's about to bowl. That means he requires full what do you say? Attention. That's when shut up.
Good dot.
Ooh, well defended. Very well defended by legs. He's playing it sensibly now, Akhil. Struck down leg. Chance of a run out. But he's back.
They're only getting dots in this over, but let's see. There's still a lot of balls in this over to go.
Yeah, go.
And that's a single that they steal in towards the offside.
Good batting from Akhil uncle, finding the gap and placing it there, just where they needed it.
Ooh, that Byron! Oh, bounces off. These two back there, they're putting a lot of effort in this. They don't want those singles going by.
I think underarm throw was a better option here.
That's up in the air, and Dion catches it. Akhil uncle looks extremely disappointed. But Nihal walks in one down.
I think Akhil thought it was going for a 6, but it fall slightly short of 6.
I realize Shashank.
Okay, thank you. The
Shama is changing the
Shashank.
lucky spot. Shama is saying, quickly before the batsman walks in. Come.
Nihal non-strike pay QK. It's 11 for 1 at the end of the second over, and my co-commentator will bowl now.
Shama, just try and stand on one leg also. Maybe it helps. Yeah, that's the way.
DJ Pankaj.
DJ uncle.
Next ball. The commentator is calling Pankaj. And
Like
that
it down to the off. Shashank. Oh! They kept it real tight there. They will not let that overthrow happen and they will try every inch of a run out.
but
Tight fielding. And now.
oh, it was a no ball. I think it was a no ball under the circumstances. Pankaj,
But
who has been doing very well in commentary today.
अच्छा भोगले
fielding.
There you go.
Fielding
Next
the
ball.
fielding placement.
Strike it
And-
down and caught. But free hitter. And you know what played hell? Raghav uncle was pushed back. If that wouldn't have happened, that was a 6 because the trajectory was going that way.
Exactly.
But you could.
Very
also
smart
got-
captaincy here.
पर राघव अंकल कह रहे हैं पहला कैच पकड़ा सुबह का मैंने.
DJ uncle might have caught it also.
How's it going? Come on, King.
That's again struck really well. He is waiting for it, not running behind it so that there are no misfields. Smart fielding from Dian.
The placement was correct.
Dhyan is the most agile fielder in the team. Most agile.
Nihal looking
Some
at
change in the fielding.
placement.
Oh, well defended. They get that single in as soon as the fielder moves back. That's smart work.
I think if you see the strategy of the team, they are saying they are relying on singles. One run a ball can make them over the line. Should be out. No. No man's land. No man's land. In the end, it was a good hit. Shiv. 3 number.
That was good. He at least
Kings.
went and made an effort for it. Time for Nihal.
Kings. And strikers. There you go. Next ball. Pankaj, hold it back. Coming again.
Defense and there's confusion.
This is suicidal.
And that's the wicket.
This is suicidal. Against the odds, when the wicket was not expected out of the run, and there was a wicket. That's what happens in cricket. Kept his calm, Siddharth, and stood at the non-striker's end, waited for it. 18 नंबर है इनका, विराट कोहली का नंबर है, सिद्धार्थ का ध्यान रखिए इस बात को.
And time for Rishi uncle, a game changer, coming with a jacket and surprisingly.
ऋषि,
एकदम मतलब कॉलेज स्टूडेंट की तरह आए, एकदम ट्रैक पैंट शर्ट, भाई साहब टोपी पीछे.
Tennis.
लोकल जेम्स बॉन्ड कहा जाता है ऋषि को.
ऐसा लग रहा है बस रात करना शुरू कर देंगे. But he comes in early this time from the previous match. Struck right in the hands of Vijay
And easy single. And there was a good backup.
निहाल बाउंड्री तक भाग गया. बॉल नहीं गई, मैं ही भाग जाता हूँ.
Good backup by Ravi.
Yeah, good back
Ready.
from the wicket keepers.
And that's end of the over. 18 runs for 2. 3 overs up, and it's time for the power play.
I mean, this is a good score. 6 per over. It's a good.
No, अरे.
It's good for both teams. Diyan to Nihal.
Well struck, but right in the hands of Vijay. Very well played.
You can do it! And we know it! Come on, King!
That's well focused on 6. The cheering,
King! Come on, King!
the cheering worked.
After the over. It was a 6, Advik?
That was a 6.
Well.
क्या चाहिए? I didn't think.
Don't speak during the ball.
This was a game-changing six.
अजीब सी शांति हो गई आफ्टर दैट.
Another field replacement.
Struck once again, but that's back and they'll get that single in.
It was a thick outside edge going towards the third man and 1 run taken.
Every ball, they're changing the field placement.
Next ball. Dhyan getting ready. Slight change in field.
And next,
There is an appeal. There is appeal.
Nihal was baffled with nothing on it. But maybe there was a touch on it and he just wouldn't have realized it.
बीच में मत बोलो.
Oh!
Another run out. There was a chance of run out in the non-striker's end.
Really?
Is this the end of the over? No.
One more ball.
Last ball of the over, power play. Strike it out, right in the eyes of Pankaj, they will get that single in.
Only single. Very well fielded, Pankaj. You have been wonderful throughout the day, even in commentary and now in the fielding. Very well done, Pankaj. 9 number है इनका ध्यान रखिए please.
There was a chance.
And spectators, you can speak within the ball. It is only for the commentators.
So at the end of the fourth over, the score is standing at 27 for 2. They are again going pretty strong. Strike rate, current run rate at 6.75. Looking strong.
विजय 10 नंबर की जर्सी के साथ. तेंदुलकर का नंबर है 10. If people don't know, तेंदुलकर है 10. Good intense cricket.
The top right over. Just dropped.
It's a costly drop.
There is a big appeal for run out, but that's safe. Nihal has been given a second life.
आद्विक एक बात आपने नोट की हो, नो बॉल पे कैच पकड़ा गया, ओरिजिनल बॉल पे कैच छूट गया.
प्रेशर इतना होता है ना,
पर नो बॉल पे प्रेशर नहीं था क्या?
Everybody who
खाली रन में जाने का प्रेशर था.
would have wanted that, but sadly, we all have our flaws.
Okay, so basically the thing is, the appeal is that they are arguing that 90 degree to the wicket was where the fielder was standing, and if that's the case, it will be counted as a no ball. But the umpire has denied that. Oh, and there's an argument about that.
आद्विक, if you remember Kevin Pollard, महेंद्र सिंह धोनी उसके लिए हमेशा just slide out of the 90 degree लगाते थे, correct? IPL में, if you remember.
Correct. Because
And Kevin Pollard would hit it there and get caught out.
the fact that we are comparing the Kings so much to the West Indies team,
Good presence of mind by Rana ji.
that's not the leg. And no, there's no backup, there's no backup, there's no backup.
Good presence of mind, good presence of awareness, cricket awareness कहा जाता है इसको.
And जैसे ही एक ओवर थ्रो होता है, ग्राउंड सब्जी मंडी बन जाती है.
Confusion between the wickets.
Rishi back, playing at a strike rate of 300 by the way.
एक बॉल पे 3 रन ही आया ना.
नहीं, 9 मारे 3 बॉल पे.
बोलो 3 3 ना.
Struck shot. And that's a
Another
controversial
single.
kill.
Good. What is the score, Abhik?
Score right now stands at 31 for the loss of 2.
In how many overs?
4.3.
Tendulkar ready to ball.
Struck right up in the air and Dion catches it. Dion catches it. He was almost there with that shot. It was an amazing shot, but the fielding overpowered that shot.
I think you remember the World Cup catch by the captain of T20 India team?
Surya Kumar Yadav.
It was very close to that catch of Surya Kumar Yadav at the boundary, staying within the line of the boundary, and it was equivalent to Surya Kumar Yadav.
The only difference was that was a long off. This was long on.
Can we replay towards the long on?
Vijay to Tarun uncle. As we were
Taron
saying
uncle
before,
with the bat looks visibly tired.
उनके ऊपर पूरे IPL का दामोदर है. ललित मोदी आए हैं.
Oh, just a defense trying to get into the groove.
Presence to the crease.
A struck and similar.
He is taking his time. Batsman taking his time. 31 for 3 in 5 overs. Rishi on 10 of 4 with 1-6. Tarun has just come to the crease. He is yet to score. Only 2 balls as of now. Let's see who's going to ball the next one.
and one of the youngest players in this tournament, Rohan Deepak.
Clap for him. Clap for Rohan, please.
Yeah, Rohan! Last over for Rohan. He got a wicket on the first ball. Would want to replicate that.
He is going to change the bat. Remember, Marwan Atapattu went without telling that he is going to change the bat. He may be timed out. Remember that? Okay, perfect. Rules of the game. Very harsh.
Oh, that's well pitched.
Good strike. Must be a single. Should settle with single. Pankaj, very agile fielder.
Place right.
He is everywhere.
Place right in the gap.
Straight
Good shot. And very
And-
direct hit gone. But it was not to be. He lived another day. He lived another, maybe because he is the IPL chairman. He'll let him live him.
Oh, that's a dead ball. That's a dead ball. Okay, quick question. Dead ball will be counted as a no ball or not?
वो खुद ही अंपायरिंग कर रहे हैं.
Struck right off. Six. And that's a six. Rishi Rana with his sixes.
Oh, Rishi!
Rishi, the six hitter. Rishi, the six hitter is the ideal name for him.
On the contrary, he has blocked multiple sixes.
Absolutely. So next ball. Let's focus on the game. Next ball.
Oh, swing and a miss.
Swing and a miss.
Swing and a miss.
Maybe we would have seen the ball. Beautiful shot. Only a single. Easy is the word. Easy peasy.
Place
Name.
right for a single.
40 for 3. 5.5 overs. Tarun.
Oh, and that's
No.
the dot ball.
Decided against it. It was a good decision in the end. They've already made one run out. They didn't want the next one. End of the over. Last over to go.
Well played, well played.
Very well bowled from Rohan. 9 of the over.
40 for 3. Rishi sir, आपके लिए 18 for 8. You're playing very well. Thank you.
40.
They should aim at 50 runs now. It should be one of the best scores of the tournament. Am I correct?
Yeah, exactly. So the last match was the best, second best score. So
What is the highest score of the tournament so far?
59.
69. Okay.
60.
60 was the chase. Okay.
Yeah. So for the night, last match we saw a similar score. let's say 5 runs more, and that would provide an edge to the batting team at this cricket.
Ball out, ready to bowl round the wicket. Lasith Malanga has come to ball.
बॉल ऐसे ही लग रहा है इसके लसित मलिंगा
Cheering in the crowd. Super. अरे घबरा जाएगा वो.
He won't take it.
In the block hall. In the block hall.
That's struck right over and that's power hitting. क्या डबल लेंगे? नहीं लेंगे, नहीं लेंगे, नहीं लेंगे.
2 रन में 2 बॉल पे 1 रन आया. 41 for 3. 4 balls to go. Can they break the record?
4 बॉल बची इनिंग्स में.
Some feeling change. There you go.
That's struck high and that is it. He saved. Happiest moment.
No.
Happiest moment of Tarun uncle's life. बॉल बच गई.
आर यू हैप्पी की बॉल बच गई या फिर विकेट बच गया? नो बॉल कहां से है?
नो बॉल
I'm so sorry, my guess, but like that was a pretty big one. Oh, that is out. That is out.
Not this time.
This is not going to be the mini golf.
Tarun is inquiring about the no ball.
Oh, that's a no ball. No ball. He lives on the day. He lives on forever a day.
Umpire decision is final. Batsman has every right to appeal. Batsman has every right to appeal.
We have to understand that even after out is given, when that beep comes, the ta, the decision is reversed at that moment. So, no ball will be counted.
Advik, can you tell me what this beep?
That siren is there, no?
No ball, final. Advik, so what is the score now, Advik?
Score is looking at 43 for 3, and it's time for a free hit.
Time for a free hit. So technically 2 more balls to go. If there are no any wides and no balls, it's a free hit. Who is shouting? Who is shouting, yeah?
No, you can't take the pressure. Come on.
Free hit has been given. Tarun uncle on strike.
Make more noise.
Oh, that's just a single. Oh,
One more. Raghav, one more. Come on, Raghav.
that's struck high and to the Four has been given. Well tried from Dr. Vijay. Very well tried. This team never gives up, that's for sure. If we saw Shashank there at third man, technically third man, if we saw the keeper Ravi, they have never given up. They will save every single inch of that run. Please, everyone, clap for Mr. Vijay. So that's 49 for 3 at the end of the 7th over. So 50 runs required to win.
Well, this was a fiery first innings. Let's see what can come from the second one.
कृषु पक्का मेरा प्यारा कृषु हमारा प्यारा कृषु
सबका प्यारा.
Grace, focus on the game.
Tarun uncle bowling the first over.
That's the cut and a run.
Cutting it in the right position so that they can get a good single.
That's well struck. Oh, I defended. Oh,
Oh, good effort.
that is that run saved there from Suresh.
Good effort from Suresh, uncle. There's always a next time.
Struck right in the gap. Krish baffled, and he would save it.
Krishu easy.
Easy, Krishu.
Easy, Krishu. Catch it, someone.
And lands in no man's land. Oh, is there a chance of the overthrow? The owner from the sideline is calling the yak. But these guys are professionals, they won't get confused. Perfectly placed. Oh! Mega effort! Mega effort!
Starting team under pressure.
The tree might be
Bowling, Tarun.
the fielder's best friend.
And down leg side. Hey.
How's that?
How's that?
Big appeal, but there's nothing on the bat.
Right नहीं मिल रहा है खुश रहो.
हम अपील कर सकते
From the sideline, from the pitch, everybody is trying to say.
बात खाली अपील करने में, विकेट आए ना आए.
हम अपील तो करेंगे. हाँ बस.
निहाल तोड़ दे उसका.
And now Nihal to Dian.
जर्सी है ना उसपे इतना शाइन है कि हम डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं सब लोग. समझ इसीलिए तो किया तुम्हारा प्लानिंग ऐसा है. एंटी ग्लेजिंग. एंटी ग्लेजिंग
There's 3 runs off the first over.
इक्वेशन.
Run rate is going up. Batting team under severe pressure.
So 46 runs are required of 6 overs.
रेनफॉल होती है खाली.
46 runs required of 6 overs. Scores are 3 for none. Oh, the white has been
That's
given.
so wide.
Nihal सीधा
यार इजी
easy.
So what's Nihal trying to do is bowl fast, pitch fast, get some bounce on it.
Next ball.
हाथ भाई तू गिर ही जा यार.
Ready हो ना बाबा.
I guess Nihal moved, but not the
I think पिछले बॉल का रिप्ले कर रहे थे.
Shot! Oh, and fielded well.
फील्डेड.
Well fielded. अरे ऋषि अंकल.
Get a catch there.
That was a hard save.
Shot! Oh, almost called! Almost got but called. Ankit catches it. Pankaj.
Hello! What a catch, bro! It's this. मैं उसको बोला उधर जा. Catch निकलेगा वहीं पे. Hello, hello, hello.
भाई एक काम करो ये विकेट ना इनको दे दो इनकी टीम को.
How was it, Akhil? Akhil.
I guess the adults have even got tempted to say the one and only
5 for 1, 1.2.
2026.
And the captain, Vijay.
I think Vijay is going to play the anchor. Vijay is going to play an anchor and he can take him to the victory.
More cricket.
I think
Absolutely.
team which keeps the नहीं लगा पाएंगे. स्कोर ज्यादा है.
More.
Hey, don't make noise. The batting team is getting disturbed.
ध्यान, we have Suman. We have a lot of hopes from you.
More cricket, no, less talk.
धोनी का नंबर है ध्यान का 7 नंबर. It is permanently retired by BCCI.
Relax.
कृषु दिख नहीं रहा हमें
ऐसे
थोड़ा
हमको कंफ्यूज करने का. Diyan, you are playing well.
कृषु हमें दिख नहीं रहा थोड़ा राइट हो जाए
अरे कृष्ण नहीं दिख रहा है या बैट्समैन नहीं दिख रहा है?
तो बैट्समैन मेरी ऐसी गलती हो या कृषि हमें बैटर नहीं दिख रहा
All the best, Vijay. Today.
Oh, that's a lot of bounce and the no ball has been given.
ध्यान इजी यार
नहीं, ठोक, ऐसे ही ठोक.
It's a free hit.
कभी कभार लगता है निहाल बॉल ग्राउंड को मार रहा है विकेट पे नहीं.
अरे,
Getting ready.
A stroke. Oh, and fielded well. Oh.
गुड फील्डिंग
They are measuring each run. What is the equation, Hardik, after this ball, please?
Diyan, don't lose hope. You can make it. Catch it.
Struck right across into the hands of Shiv. Simple.
सुरेश, जब तक तुम वहां पहुंचे हो तब तक बॉल फील्ड होके वापस पहुंच गई है.
I guess.
कहाँ हो तुम?
You can make it, Diyan. Don't come under pressure.
Oh, that's out. That is out. Vijay needs to walk out.
Vijay could save.
We had
but all is-
high hopes from Vijay, and Vijay has given his wicket away. But this match is not over.
That's it, guys.
गया
This match is still not over. ध्यान जब तक खेल रहे हैं.
You have to play till the end. Don't worry.
You
Yes,
can't
sir.
get under his skin. Don't worry.
This match is not over.
Don't lose hope.
42 runs required in 31 balls.
I don't think anybody's getting the.
मैं आपको इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ. यहाँ पे एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर आए हुए हैं. आपका नाम क्या है भाई साहब?
क्या नाम रखा है आपका भैया आओ तो देखो
Nothing's going on the Dian's skin. He is whatever's coming to him. He's just not letting anything happen.
Next ball.
Oh, very well bowled. On target.
Let me introduce you one of the right readers of the game, Sumit Keelam. He exactly knows which batsman hits where. I just Keelam. सुमित किलम को मालूम है कौन बैट्समैन किधर मारता है, बस वो फील्डिंग आने लगाते हैं.
प्यार से बोलो नहीं मुझे लगता है इस वक्त ध्यान पे बहुत प्रेशर वो तो बहुत ज्यादा
And Suresh is going to be bowling the next over.
The captain himself.
Oh, the captain, actually the decision has been turned. It looks like the captain himself, Rishi, has come. A game changer has come too.
Change of field. Rishi Rana.
Come on, Rishi.
Akil 2 steps back
Oh, that's struck and that's the 6. Changes the dynamic.
Small trivia for people above 40. सबने जो जीता वही सिकंदर देखी है.
अखिल
ऋषि एकदम आमिर खान लग रहे हैं जो जीता वही सिकंदर के.
That 6 brings up the score to 14 for the loss of 2.
जीतना
14 for the loss of 2.
जो जीता वही सिकंदर के आमिर खान बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं.
मॉडल कॉलेज के संजय लाल
Struck right across and fielded. That is runs blocked. That is 3 runs saved right there. निहाल को नई पैंट दिलानी होगी ओनर.
The,
The future of Ultima. The future of Ultimate is in the young hands like Nihal.
Stop, Nihal.
Clap for him, please. Clap for him.
Go, Nihal.
Yeah, no pressure. Come on.
Come on, Nihal. No pain, no gain. Come on.
You're not getting under.
Go for it.
You're not getting under.
माइक से भी आ रही है
Come on, Nihal.
मॉडल कॉलेज के संजय लाल
संजय
राजपूत कॉलेज के शेखर मल्होत्रा
संजय लाल
करूँ राजपूत कॉलेज का कौन है?
Oh, that's the edge on it. Oh, there's confusion. Oh, and that's the wicket. Run out करवा दिया. Run out करा. That's just confusion. Very unfortunate wicket for Shashank.
It's not over because Raghav uncle, the spinner, has come.
Hey, Shiv, easy yeah. Dhyan, this is your moment, Dhyan.
Okay, so Raghav uncle walks in. He can score that odd run here and there.
Diyan, you have come back in the end.
मेरी बैटरी
Don't come under pressure.
नहीं बस
This is the last match for today.
Not getting under his skin.
Diyan, don't come under pressure. Let them all get out. You have to be there.
Let me tell you, Dhyan.
सर इनको माइक सर आप नहीं लेंगे नो माइक नहीं दे सकते माइक नहीं सर
Let me tell you something about number 7.
Very good player.
That's just defended.
महेंद्र सिंह धोनी का नंबर है.
That shot.
संजय लाल और शिव ने बहुत शानदार फील्डिंग का मुजाहरा शिव द्वारा. इनके हाथ से कभी भी बॉल स्लिप नहीं हुई आज तक.
अरे बॉल क्या कुछ भी स्लिप नहीं हुआ.
It looks.
Don't put so much of pressure on the batting team.
Okay, next ball.
Beautiful shot.
Beautiful shot by Dhyan. Under pressure. Very well played, Dhyan. Very well done.
Very good.
ऋषि अंकल बॉल मांग रहे थे, गले मिला लिए. निहाल मिल गया.
Equation is 17 of 3 अभी तक स्कोर है 3 ओवर में. And they have to get how much?
33 required in 24.
It is
33 required in 24.
This match is still within the reach of the batting team. Do not lose it.
क्या बात है बच्चों मजा आ गया इनके वीडियो बनाएंगे वीडियो बना
Okay, it's time for the power play over.
Power play over.
जो फिर से निहाल को दिया जाएगा.
निहाल. Captain Cool.
बस बेटा बॉलिंग करने दो
Oh, very well bowled. Not a wide.
Relax, Dhyan. Easy. Relax, Dhyan.
भाई साहब.
Oh, that struck.
Hi.
Down to third man. Just a single there. Nothing more, just a single. Keeping it very simple at this stage.
Cool down, Dhyan. You are
18 for 3.
32 required of 22 balls. This is very much still a gettable target. Small boundaries, straight.
all the best, Raghav.
Oh,
तेज आ रहा था
थोड़ी तारीफ कीपर की भी कर लेते हैं. क्या बॉल पकड़ी.
Well played, Raghav.
Oh, big appeal but nothing.
Good appeal, Raghav. Very good appeal. अरे दौड़ मत उड़ जाएगा.
it's a tight contest, but it's not over. It's not over.
Oh, that struck right across. Arey!
try, good try.
That was an amazing shot, by the way. Let's give that to Raghav.
Very good shot, Raghav. Very good.
सुरेश बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट ने बचा लिया किंग्स
बहुत बढ़िया उम्दा ताना लगाया आपने. हमारे गांव में से ताना मारना बोला जाता है, विकेट पे थ्रो करना मतलब.
So at the end of the fourth over, the score is 19 for 3. Ultima Strikers require 31 runs in 18 balls. DLS Power Schools 27. That means
31 in, कुछ भी बोलता 21, 31.
31.
I'll repeat once again. The score is 19 for 3 in 4 overs. The current run rate is 4.75. Required run is 10.33. While it may not be relevant, but Duckworth Road score is
27. That means that the Strikers are 8 runs behind at this stage of where Kings were.
No, they're getting disturbed. Don't make noise.
Hey, Veer.
Come on, Dhyan. Cool, cool, cool.
बच्चों का भी गेटोरेड ले रहा हूँ.
3 overs, 31 runs. We have seen win from these situations more than once. Akhil has come to ball.
अकेल.
Ready to ball. Keep calm.
The struck into the hands of Akhil.
It was a bump ball.
Run, 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 run.
Oh!
That's it. Match is in.
That is the dot ball.
31 of 16. Akhil, strike bowler hai.
Oh!
How's that?
Nothing on it. Nothing on it.
I think this tournament needs the sneakometer very soon.
अब इशू ये है, अब इशू ये है, स्निकोमीटर पे खुद एलिगेशन इतनी आई है कि भाई वो ही नहीं चल रहा, उसका करेंगे क्या हम?
यहाँ तक सुनाई दे रहा है.
Another dot ball. Another dot ball.
बढ़िया खेल रहा है. राघव
31 required of 13 balls.
14 balls.
14 balls. It should be 13. Oh, another dot ball.
बढ़िया बढ़िया.
Under pressure.
Good bowling, Akhil. Good bowling.
In pressure, it's one of the best overs of the tournament so far.
lovely, lovely batting. Very defensive.
Oh, that struck and that's out. Wicket maiden. Wicket maiden.
Is this the first wicket maiden of the tournament?
No, there was a 3-wicket maiden from the end of Strikers. 3-wicket maiden. उनमें से एक रन आउट थी और 2 बॉल बाहर गई थी.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Akhil, I think Smita will be very proud today of Akhil. Smita, are you there?
This is the big boys game.
Yeah, she is very proud. Not proud.
अरे भाई वो लास्ट वाला शेप था इधर से सुनाई दे रहा है. ये वो
तुम लोग जीत रहे हो ना, क्यों कर रहे हो? जो अभी
This one was the silent one.
रवि बोपारा. जादू. रवि
Rishi!
बोपारा.
Rishi!
Okay, so Suresh Shankar with the ball around the wicket. That's his preferred position, and he has gotten the wickets from there.
Dhyan, cool it, cool it. Dhyan, cool it.
Curtly Ambrose is right the ball. Is it a wide?
That's
Yeah, it's a
beautiful.
wide to start with, but I think it's very much in the reach of Kings.
बॉडी पे डालो, बॉडी पे.
There you go.
That struck high and that's 6.
ध्यान.
अकेला अंकल जैसे लंबे आदमी भी कुछ नहीं कर पाए उस 6 के बारे में.
मुझे लगता है अखिल अंकल के कंधे पे एक फील्डर खड़ा कर दो.
निहाल फिट भी हो जाएगा. Oh, that's struck. Oh, that's out.
That's a wicket. That's the game. That's the game. Dhyan, we had
26 for the loss of 5.
Very well played, Dhyan.
And the new batsman comes in, Siddharth.
Is the game over? No, no. Yeah, okay. Siddharth is coming to bat. 18 विराट कोहली का नंबर है.
I guess Anush Uncle's departure has brought a
Suresh, golden arm. Suresh, can you show your golden arm, please? Excellent.
लास्ट हम पे भी गोल लगा देंगे लास्ट में 2 और है 2 और चाहिए 2 और
3 लगा ना.
5 विकेट गिर गया 2 में क्या
Suresh, ready to ball. So, to you, the man of the match should be Akhil?
Absolutely.
But this match is not over, Advik. Okay, focus on game.
डरना मत, मैं यहीं पे हूँ. निहाल भी यहीं पे.
Oh, Rohan. Good shot. Direct shot into the gap.
Good shot.
Very well struck by Rohan.
छोड़ दे. चलेगा, चलेगा.
Suresh, not fumbling.
छोड़ दो. अरे
ऋषिकेश राणा. हर्षित राणा और ऋषिकेश राणा, इनमें क्या सिमिलरिटी है?
Oh, struck it up, and that's the last wicket. That is out. That is confirmed out, Rishi uncle. Why are you worrying? It is out.
This was the last